Hey y'all, welcome to Monday Makeup and Motivation. Hey y'all, hey. So, happy Mother's Day to all of those that are mothers, pet mothers, stepmothers, foster mothers, adoptive mothers. Happy Mother's Day because y'all know it takes a lot to be a mother. So I just want to say happy Mother's Day, y'all, and love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love to y'all. So I wanted to do an eye look today. I am feeling lately, if y'all notice, I haven't really been posting. This month has been it's been hard for me, my mom would have been 60 last Tuesday, and it took an emotional turn that I wasn't expecting. So I've been a little feeling some type of way there. And then today, of course, it's Mother's Day, and I'm like, Lord, I've been fighting back tears and fighting back tears and fighting back tears. But y'all, we gonna get this together because makeup is my therapy. So I just was like, okay, you know what, Ayana, get up and do some makeup. Do some makeup. This your creative outlet here. So y'all, we about to do some makeup. Okay. So I am going to do some type of eye look using my Natasha Denona, my dream palette. And I'm thinking maybe using this burgundy dark purple and this burgundy. And I was kind of thinking this one in the inner corner, but y'all, I don't know. So we about to play around with this. So, did you guys do anything for Mother's Day? Did you get anything? If so, comment and let me know what you did or what you got for Mother's Day. My son, y'all, I was just like in tears. Like I said, y'all, earlier today, I woke up and he actually woke me up with my Mother's Day present. And I was just like, oh. Y'all, just bust out crying early this morning. So I knew it was about to be a morning for me. But that's okay, y'all. So, of course, y'all know if you watch the Friday Fragrance Frenzy, y'all know I love me some Sephora, I love me some Ulta, I love me some TJ Maxx, I love me some Marshalls, Burlingtons. I love it all. So he got me a gift card to Sephora and Ulta. I actually got two for Ulta. Now, I love Ulta. I love them both. But when it comes down to rewards, y'all, Ulta has Sephora beat, because those rewards for me, they accumulate, and I save mine up because I get a lot of money when I save them up. And then, of course, whenever I feel like using it, I'll go ahead and use them for the reward points. So I got that, and then y'all, he got me the most beautiful card, which made me cry even more, y'all. I was like, oh my God. Just crying and hugging him and loving him, y'all. Okay, y'all, so look. My baby got me this card, y'all. And when I read it, I was just like in tears. And then it says, Lord, on this special day, my heart is extra thankful for this one who is very dear to me and you. Bless her in a wonderful way, just like she's blessed her family and many others. Remind her how special, how much she's loved, not just for all that she does, but as your unique treasure. Celebrating you and the beautiful blessings you are in my life. Have a wonderful Mother's Day. Love, my son. And then the quote here, it says, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you. And that's from Numbers chapter 6, verses 24 and 25. Yeah, I was just like, oh. Like, I think this touched my heart because I guess I've just been feeling, a little sad, a little down. And just to know that your kids, they see the work and the effort that you put in as a mother. And that to me showed me that he is grateful for everything that I do and done over the years. And it touched my heart. It made me smile. So of course those was tears of happiness and joy. So what did y'all end up doing today? Anybody do anything special? So y'all, I tried this one. I'm not really feeling this color, so I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna see what that look like and go from there. And it's the one. It's nice. Let me see. I don't know how I feel about that one. Let's try this one because I don't really like that gold in there. Looks interesting, but this might work. So I'll mix those two. So did y'all do dinner? Like I was thinking about, doing dinner and placing a rose on the table for my mom in honor of my mom. But it was, of course, y'all know it's Sunday and it's Mother's Day, so all of the restaurants were booked. So I just was like, well, and then I was still kind of in a little funk. So I'm like, you know what? It'll be okay. Just go ahead and I got food. Well, first of all, y'all, I did a little shopping because I wouldn't be me if I don't. So I did a little shopping and then I went and picked up some food and just came home and enjoyed myself. So by myself because my son had to work. So I'm like, it's okay. That's a part of adulting is you gotta work, on holidays and stuff. So, I mean, we've been talking, of course, throughout the day, but yeah, I am just like, I'm so proud of my son. Like, he growing up, he's getting older. And it's just like, just the little touches and the cards, those words, sometimes we can't express them, but a card or a song, it just like, oh, this is how I feel. Let me go on ahead. So that put a huge smile on my face. A huge smile on my face. Yeah. I'm using some of this light color here to kind of diffuse some of the harsh dark lines. Just to kind of blend it. And I'm going back with that dark color and kind of blending it a little bit more. To keep my dark color right here. And I'm content with that. I might go ahead and add a little more up here. I like that purple. It's pretty. It's really pretty. That works for me. So y'all, for my foundation, I went ahead. I'm using the Tarte Face Tape. And then I got this second one. So for the month of May, I'm going to use these two. And these are Tarte products here. And this is the Amazonian Clay. And this is 16-hour coverage. But I like this one double. I like both of them, actually. They both are really good. But what I put on before I put on my foundation was this Iconic London. And then this is supposed to be blurring primer. So I think with that one, I used that one before. And I think that one just gave me a really, really glossy look. I don't like the glossiness, but it worked. It was good enough. I guess maybe too because I'm a little oily. I don't normally like anything that kind of makes me even more oily. So, but did you guys do anything for your mother? Or if your mother is no longer with us, how do you guys celebrate your mom? Like I thought about going to the water. I love going to the water. My mom, she used to love going fishing, y'all. Between her and my grandma, like we grew up fishing all day, every day. And I don't fish, but I like being at the water. Sometimes down here in Florida, I can catch some dolphins. And of course, the sound of the waves is just so relaxing, so peaceful. But because I really wasn't in any type of mood, y'all, like this girl was not feeling nothing, I didn't really do too much. So how do you honor your mother? Did you go shopping, get flowers, take her to the movies, dinner? And of course, if you're a mother, what did you do? You know, comment, y'all. Let me know what y'all did. Comment, let me know what y'all did. And this is the final look, y'all. And this is matte, but I'm about to add a little bit of gloss because the girl like gloss on hers. And then this is the Amicole. I think it's Amicole. And I like this. It's cute. But y'all, I ended up using for my bronzer and my blush one size. And then this is that palette, and I love this one. And then I use the blush, and it's this color. And then of course I threw on some lashes. So what y'all think? And then my lip color, let me see if I can find it. Oh yeah, so NYX. And then to give it that little white, of course, you just use some concealer. You can't really tell now. And then the pencil, LA Girl Shockwave. But yeah, y'all, so that is the finished look. And I just want to say once again, happy Mother's Day to everyone. Y'all enjoy your day. We're going to have a great week. We're going to celebrate moms, celebrate ourselves if we're moms. But I feel like for me, I need to find a way to celebrate my mom. think lately it's just kind of been hard kind of getting into it. But of course, makeup just put this girl in the happy place. And I feel so much better since I did my makeup. And I'm about to just enjoy my day, y'all. Until next time, have a great day. Happy Mother's Day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Sending love and love your way, y'all. Bye.